another episode of Trademark Wars. We all love a good trademark war. It seems that all of you love a good trademark war because these are some of the most shared and commented upon posts that I put out there. So who's warring this time? Well, my favorite grocery store, Trader Joe's, is warring with a man named Jeffrey Glassover. He decided that he was going to, I think he probably thought it was cute until he got the cease and desist letter. He decided that he was going to use the brand name Trader Schmos for his line of kosher food. Well, apparently Trader Joe's didn't think that that was kosher at all because they filed an opposition to his trademark application. Now, this kind of surprised me. The trademark examiner actually cleared this application and sent it to be published for opposition. Now, when something is published for opposition, what it means is that the trademark examiner hasn't found any reason why the trademark can't coexist with other existing marks. So in this instance, it looks like the trademark examiner completely dropped the ball. Maybe the trademark examiner doesn't shop at Trader Joe's, because anybody who did shop at Trader Joe's would look at the Trader Schmo's mark and think, not so good, not so cute, not gonna fly. So why are these marks so problematic for the trademark owner? Well, for a couple of reasons. Reason number one being that it is confusingly similar. Now, I don't know if you're a Trader Joe's shopper, but if you are, one of the things that you know about Trader Joe's is that they don't just use Trader Joe's on their goods. They'll use Trader Giotto's for Italian food, and Trader Jose's for Mexican food, and Trader Ming's for Chinese food. So it is completely within the realm of possibility that Trader Joe's would use Trader Schmo's for kosher food, right? So it would confuse your average consumer of Trader Joe's goods. It would confuse me. If I saw the mark, I would think, oh, how cool. Trader Joe's has come out with a line of kosher goods. That's awesome for our Jewish friends. But in this case, it just turns out that it's a trademark from a naughty infringer attempting to capitalize on Trader Joe's very famous brand. Now, Trader Joe's has been using this mark since 1967. That is a really long time, and they've built up substantial goodwill, and the brand is recognized nationwide, which is why the naughty infringer wanted to use the mark in the first place, because it's kind of a cute play on a famous brand. Just so you know, cute plays on famous brands are definitely a trademark no-no, and I do not recommend that you do this. Now, the applicant, Mr. Glassover, filed this application himself without benefit of competent trademark counsel, so I'm not surprised that he thought that this was okay. Applicants who file their own trademarks make a lot of mistakes like this because they don't realize what the parameters are. So unfortunately for him, he has wasted all of this time, the time that it took to examine the mark and publish it for opposition, about a year, because he applied for this about a year ago. So he has spent a whole year investing in a mark that now he cannot use. In addition to that, he's wasted the trademark filing fee. You don't get do-overs with the Patent and Trademark Office. Once you file it, you're done. And if your mark is refused, you don't get your money back. I'm Angela Langlotz, and I go live every day to talk about trademarks, copyrights, and patents. And you can find me online at TrademarkDoctor.net. You can also find me on Facebook at facebook.com/TrademarkDoctor. If you like my Trademark Doctor page, you'll be notified every time I go live. If you think other people might benefit from this video, please share it. I encourage you to do that. Thanks very much, and I'll see you tomorrow.